All right, and here we are for the second question. Remember I said these are the three most missed questions. Here's question number 2. The Chens are saving up to go on a family vacation. 5 years. They invest $3,200 into an account with an annual interest rate of 1.41% compounded annually. Assuming they make no withdrawals, how much money is going to be in the account after 5 years? What formula do we need? All right, first of all, you guys can see my formula right here. All right, A, the future amount, is equal to P, the present value, times 1 plus R, the rate, divided by N, raised to the N times T. We have used this formula in this class, or if you're seeing it prior to it, we start using this in weeks 3, 4, 5, and throughout the class. Okay, we use it multiple occasions. All right, so that being said, I'm going to enter my formula. And you can see here, I've just simply entered the numbers. I don't have cells. Remember, in the discussion questions, we always use cells. I'm not setting this up to use cells. You can do that for yourselves if you want to. I simply typed in the numbers. 3,200 was the amount they invested. 0.0141 because it's 1.41%. I used the 1 for N because it's compounded annually. If it were monthly, it would be 12, quarterly, 4, etc. And then the exponent is 1 times 5 because it is for 5 years compounded annually. And you can see there that I'm going to end up with $3,432.05. Now the question is, how much interest do they gain, leaving their money sit there at that particular interest rate? And so the formula for interest, everybody, is always the future value minus the present value. That is I equals A minus P. And so all I did was subtract. In this formula right here, you can see J18. J18 is where my future value was, minus the present value, which was 3,200. I hit enter, and I've got $232.05. Once again, everybody, this question is missed 50% of the time on the final review and final exam. So now you guys don't have to miss that. All right, you got it. All right, take care, guys. I'll catch you later. Over and out. Bye.